Mango peach Pico de Gallo. Where the hell have you been all my life? Nom 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 nom.
Hola mijo y mijas. My name is Aaron Barton and I'm the Shirtless Chef. Sometimes it's good to have a stock vegetable or dish around. It helps you make healthier eating choices throughout the week if you've got an accompaniment to something perhaps boring like a chicken breast or maybe fried eggs. So today we are going to make some mango peach jalapeno pico de gallo. And the base for any good pico de gallo is going to be some fresh cilantro. And fresh is key. Cilantro will go bad in a matter of days, both in your fridge where it belongs or sitting out. Put it in our mixing bowl, which will also be our storage bowl. I think you have to have a jalapeno in all of your salsas, all of your picos. You're just not doing yourself or your dish justice if you don't. Whether or not you seed them is up to you, but to do that, as you saw, I just cut it in half, and then I run my finger down here, scraping out the center vein, and then rinsing off the seed. Don't be an idiot, I do this all the time. I'll touch my eyes or my face or my mouth after handling jalapenos. Wash your hands with soap a couple of times. You'll be glad that you did. So I've got the seeded jalapenos, just dice these up. That's not an exact science. It's going to taste good and it's up to your individual flavor preferences, perhaps the ingredient availability. Take our tomatoes. Here I've got Roma tomatoes. They happen to be cheap and right next to the jalapenos. Again, matter of preference. Okay, now we're going to take the mango that I've already peeled. That's okay. All you're trying to do is carve the flesh off. And then once you identify the direction of the seed, just try to fillet it on both sides. That should be about all you have left. I like to suck the seed. Delicious. Be careful, depending on how sharp your knife is, you may end up cutting a piece of seed, so just pull that out of there. And then once you've got it, just cube it up.
And now the peach, to cut that open, I just scored it all the way to the core on 2 different planes. And you can pop your seed out.
Lastly, I have a French red onion, which just looks prettier than the regular red onions. It's a little bit sweeter of an onion. Okay. So, take everything on our tray, sans the reserved cilantro. Isn't that just a good looking smorgasbord of colorful, fresh fruits and vegetables? Hit it with a lot of bit of pepper. Not quite so much salt. Put our lid on.
Give it a shake.
And there you go. Now you have I'm gonna weigh this. Now you have 2 pounds of fresh, tasty, well complementing fruits and vegetables. You can put it on eggs, you can put it on a sandwich, you can serve it with a meat entree, rice, but you should always have maybe not 2 pounds, but somewhere in the 1 to 2 pound range of pico that you made your own just like this in your fridge. That's it for tonight. I'm Barton, the Shirtless Chef. Thank you for joining us, and check out all of the Shirtless Chef episodes exclusively on the Life of You app, available for download in the iTunes store. See ya!